Well, I've finally decided my green machine is going to power a Victorian forge, so I've started on the job. It's been built in 3 modules. The existing Stewart boiler, not shown, is the first one. The second one is the engine module, as you can see there, and then the forge module. Hopefully. I've added a air pump driven from the yoke to supply air to the forge. That seems to have worked out very well. And there is an exhaust heated boiler water tank there, which makes all the difference in the world. There's no steaming in this video, I'm afraid. I'm building this stage of the setup in my study, so it's not a good idea to steam in here. But my other videos show the green machine under steam. And I hope I'll get another video made when this whole lot is finished, or almost. Thank you for watching. Oh, and my Edwardian setup lives in my study now as well. Keep the other one company. You can see the boiler I'm going to use for both at the end here. Right, thanks for watching.